What if I told you there's an AI tool that can build an entire website before you even understand what it's doing? No coding, no design, no experience. I tested it, and what happened in the next 10 minutes honestly felt a little dangerous. I wasn't supposed to find this. It didn't show up in ads. No one was really talking about it. But once I opened it, I realized something immediately. This wasn't just a tool. This was a system that could replace an entire skill. Immersive opening scene. Secret project reveal. There's a folder on my desktop. No name, just a symbol. Inside it, a list of AI tools, some familiar, some I've never seen before. At the top, one line, build anything, instantly. No instructions, no tutorial, just that sentence. So I decided to test it. One rule, 10 minutes, no manual work, only AI. And if it worked, this wouldn't just be a website experiment. This would be proof that something bigger is happening. Introduction. Across the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, China, Japan, and Europe, a quiet revolution is unfolding. Not loud, not obvious, but powerful. Companies like OpenAI, USA, Google, DeepMind, UK, Microsoft, USA, and NVIDIA, USA, are building systems that don't just assist humans anymore. They replace entire workflows. And today, I'm testing one of them. Minute 0, the decision, Timer, T, null. I open the AI interface. It looks simple, too simple. Just one input box, no buttons, no options. Just a blinking cursor, almost like it's waiting. I type, build a modern tech website with homepage, blog, and contact page. And then I stop, because something feels strange. This is too easy. What this technology actually is. This system is powered by large language models, LLMs, built by companies like OpenAI, United States, Google DeepMind, United Kingdom. These models are trained on massive datasets from the internet. They don't just memorize, they learn patterns, structure, logic. So when you ask for a website, it doesn't just generate text. It reconstructs the entire idea of what a website should be. Minute 1. Something starts moving. Timer, ni, null. The screen flickers. Then text appears. Not random text. Structured content, headlines, sections, CTA buttons. It's building a website without asking anything else. No clarification, no follow-up. It just knows. And that's when the first question hits me. How much does it already understand? Real-world context. In the United States, developers already use tools from OpenAI and Microsoft to write code. In the UK, DeepMind is building AI systems that solve complex scientific problems. In Germany and Europe, AI is being integrated into industrial design systems. In China, AI platforms are scaling automation across entire digital ecosystems. This tool is just one layer of that system. Minute 3. Design without designers. Timer, su, null. Now the interface changes. The text transforms. Colors appear. Layouts shift. It's no longer content. It's design. Clean, modern, responsive. No templates selected. No themes chosen. This is being generated from scratch. How it works. Simple explanation. AI combines language understanding, design patterns, user behavior data, using GPU power from NVIDIA, USA. These models process millions of possibilities instantly. Then they generate the most optimized version. It's not guessing. It's calculating probability at scale. Suspense buildup. At this point, I'm not testing anymore. I'm watching. Because it feels like something is happening behind the screen that I don't fully control. Minute 5. Code appears. Tima. Fem. Null. Without asking, it starts generating code. HTML. CSS. Even JavaScript. Clean, structured, functional. I copy it, paste it into a preview window, and suddenly, the website is real. Note a mock-up, not a draft. A working site, real technology behind this. This is already happening with GitHub Copilot, Microsoft, USA, ChatGPT, OpenAI, USA, Google AI coding tools, USA, UK. These tools assist developers globally, from Germany to Japan to China. But what I'm seeing here is different. This isn't assistance. This is automation. Minute 8. Deployment. Timer 2. New. I upload everything to a hosting platform powered by cloud systems from Amazon Web Services, USA, Microsoft Azure, USA, Google Cloud, USA. I click deploy and wait. 3 seconds, 5 seconds. Then, it's live. The moment everything changes. Tima hits 00. I open the website. It loads perfectly, looks professional, works smoothly, and I didn't build it. Not really. A did. Suspense twist. But here's the part that bothered me. I didn't fully understand how it made certain decisions. Why this layout? Why these colors? Why this structure? It optimized everything without asking me. So I asked myself, if AI can build better than me, what's my role? The bigger system. This isn't just websites. This connects to a larger ecosystem. Tesla, USA. AI automation in the physical world. Boston Dynamics, USA. Robotics replacing manual work. NASA and SpaceX, USA. AI-assisted space systems. Future timeline. 2030. AI builds websites instantly. Freelancers decrease. Speed becomes everything. 2040. AI builds entire apps and businesses. Humans focus only on ideas. 2050. AI systems operate independently. From concept to execution to scaling. Extreme twist. But here's the real secret. This wasn't just about speed. It was about removal of friction. The gap between idea and execution is disappearing. And when that gap reaches zero, anyone can build anything. Which sounds powerful until you realize, so can everyone else. Risks and ethical concerns. Oversaturation. If everyone can build instantly, what becomes valuable? Loss of skill. Will future generations even learn coding? Centralized power. These systems are controlled by OpenAI, USA, Google DeepMind, UK, Microsoft, USA, and NVIDIA, USA, primarily in the United States and Europe. That concentration matters. Final scene. Back to the folder. I go back to the folder, the one with no name, the one that started this. I look at the line again. Build anything instantly. And now I understand it. This isn't a feature, it's a shift. Final cinematic ending. This wasn't just a 10-minute experiment. It was a preview of a world where creation is no longer limited by skill, where ideas become reality instantly. And the question is no longer, can AI build a website? The real question is, what happens when humans are no longer needed to build anything at all?